little VW coming in today. It's a drag car. We're doing a bunch of work to it. Wow. What's this car do the quarter mile in then?
Went 970.
970.
978 actually.
970 in the quarter mile.
Just shy of 137 miles an hour.
Wow, what's the horsepower on this thing?
I'd say probably 340.
Holy God.
You know,
What year is this again?
57.
57. 340 horse.
It's 1,470 pounds with me in it.
Really? Wow.
And I'm trying to lose weight.
Aren't we all? Oh my God, that's really cool.
I'm pretty proud of it. I just a couple issues, but it's all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's I can start it if you want to hear it.
Yeah. Okay. Is it drive?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
It's actually squirrely when it's dry.
Oh.
Never mind wet.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
So I'll just
Okay. Well, here, let me put.
this is just hanging there. That's all it is.
Salt motor, no spray, no nothing?
No. One day.
What's it make for power?
I'd say almost 340.
Holy.
Yeah. It's open.
It's all like aluminum heads and everything.
Oh, wow.
Okay, good to go.
That don't sound like no VW to me. Well, there you go, folks. That's what we're working on here today. 9-second VW. How cool is that? So here it is. We got her tucked away in the shop. Getting ready to start. Mike's already started removing a few things off of it. It says it's 138 miles an hour or something at 9.8 seconds. He did the quarter mile in. The car's just under 1,500 pounds with him in it, and he weighs 180 pounds. Crazy. He says the thing's even, you can't even use it on the street. He goes, it's so crazy that even if he tried to drive it on the street, it just hooks up. 1956. That's it. There we go. So that's the newest project. What we're doing is a tow hook in the front, custom made tow hook we're working on here for him. Mounting the wing properly on the back. It's had some damage. He hit the wall with it. He said he hit the wall when he got it to 100 and hit the wall. Had some damage in here, so we're going to pull all that out. Fix that. We're going to re-gloss the fenders along the bottom there. They need some repairs on either side. Oh, what else is there? I can't remember. There's a list. There's a few days of work on this old girl. That's it. All right, so there you go. Something new in the shop. Another one off the list. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time T-shirts, decals. I'm telling you right now, I'm shipping these things off, and the mailing is getting closer and closer for people seeing them just before Christmas, if not after. So if you are interested, there you go. And if you're not, it's all good. They'll be here. I'm only going to stock up with more and more. Maybe not so much some of them. Some are limited only. I don't know where the beanies or toques or whatever you want to call it. They're supposed to be here this week, but I can't promise you that. Things are slow. Anyway, you can check us out at oldtimegarage.ca. That's where you look, oldtimegarage.ca. You can watch me on Facebook at Old Time Garage, and you can watch us on Instagram at Rick's_Old Time Garage. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time.